Say cheese.
I just said that to your brother that I.
You look like a carrot.
Honey, put that down.
Does it get the other thing? Anything on the other side?
Very cute. Troublemaker.
Yeah, there's like an NHL logo on the other
can't
side.
Is it the Winter Classic hat or?
Inside, it's got the Winter Classic, so you can reverse it.
Oh, we'll reverse it.
Everything in it is for Haley.
Very cute.
Cheese.
On the back.
Oh, I see.
Kiddo. I picked it out.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Thanks.
He decided that since Grandma got something from the girls, that everyone else would also get something nice from the girls. So he went back out
For
yesterday.
me and
That is nice. Yeah.
Grandma.
She had an
Haley.
expert pick it
Yes.
up.
Hannah.
Yes. Or is that to Gigi? Spot, is that Silverback?
No, that's for Grandma.
You, Grandma.
Okay, this is for
Me, Grandma.
Yeah, you got lots of. You must have been very good this year because you got lots of presents from Hannah and Haley.
Oh boy, counting
Yeah,
down.
Paul, I was thinking yesterday that if I feel bad, I should have gone up and gone to like Dick's or something, and after being at the Bruins, and I get him something. Oh,
You gotta take them out and
treats
move
for
them.
me.
What about for me?
Oh boy.
Did you say cheese?
Eating them.
No way, you gotta put it on your head. It's a hat.
Oh, that looks like a warm hat.
You got it backwards.
Oh, you got backwards.
It's got the nose in the front.
Here, come here.
Oh, yeah.
Haley, it goes like this.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Haley,
Put
look.
your hat on. Bill. Bill.
Haley, look.
Look at mommy. Look at
Haley, look at mommy.
Claire, I'm not gonna tell you what my thoughts are about that.
Yeah, those,
I kind of.
they charge a lot of money for those at the Adam and Eve place.
Yes, or D.
No, they do not.
Sure does.
Oh yeah, you can color that
You
cup.
bought my child a profane hat.
We had a hat party one
I
time
get
over
pictures
at
of
the
it on
Swedish
you,
Club.
not on her.
Yeah.
We had a party at the Swedish Club once, and it was a hat party, so you all had to wear different hats. And somebody had a knitted hat.
M&M's.
Ruth King thought it was a cactus.
Hey,
It wasn't? No. She had no clue. She's wearing the thing, and everybody's like laughing.
Oh, there's the one of Claire.
See what I got?
oh, it's lovely.
Oh.
Yes, I saw that. That's pretty.
I picked it out myself.
And then I got one of these.
It's an apron.
Oh,
I went to the paper store and got some me.
That you got that at the paper store too?
Yes. This is what is it called? It had a name, but I
I
don't
bet the
remember.
two of them are still less than half the price of the one that Tracy
It
got.
doesn't say.
That's another
No, no.
apple.
yeah, it gets a little
Is that
crazy.
a Vera Bradley?
Yeah. And
Okay.
it's
Vera Bradley is expensive also.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
She doesn't
it's
usually buy the main
marked
brand
down
ones.
because it's discontinued the colors. So it's cafe latte. It was $78.95.
Yeah.
Mark
Oh, you got a
Downer.
Hannah Montana
I thought that was a joke.
microphone.
I know.
Yeah, mine was like marked down too.
But you know what?
Yeah, mine was
It
too.
does. It does
From,
have
from
a bunch of...
500 to 300.
They could have gone a lot
From
further.
328 to like 109.
Oh yeah, that's cheap. Yeah, that's what mine.
Oh, yeah.
Mine was
That big
Montana,
bag
too.
for 109.
That's super cheap. Yeah. That's like a steal for crying out loud.
I told you, you gotta get 3 of them at that price.
Which, yeah. Hey, I'll be at the outlet this weekend. Any requests for your birthday?